morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the comparative study between the paper chromatography and thin layer chromatography. The first point, the paper chromatography is the liquid-liquid chromatography, while the TLC is adsorption or sometimes called as partition chromatography. The paper chromatography, the stationary phase is paper or cellulose fiber made up of the paper is made up of the cellulose, while the stationary phase in the TLC is a glass plate or a thin metal foil. The next point, the paper chromatography consists of the mobile phase as organic solvent, and also in the thin layer chromatography the mobile phase is any organic solvent. The in both the RF values are to be calculated by the same formula, that is the distance traveled by the solute front divided by the distance traveled by the solvent front. But what are the distinguished points between these two types of the chromatography? The TLC is superior than the paper chromatography in respect to the following points. The TLC required the less amount of substance than paper chromatography. TLC has greater resolving power because spots are smaller. In paper chromatography, the zones are diffused, but in a thin layer chromatography, the sharp lines separation is to be observed our naked eyes. In TLC, strong acids can be safely used as a spraying reagent, but in paper chromatography that cannot be used because they destroy the paper which is used for the chromatography. The isolation of the constituents present in the sample in the TLC is very easy and simple, but in the paper chromatography it is very difficult. Therefore, the TLC requires less time, while the in paper chromatography analysis requires about 18 to 24 hours. Therefore, the thin layer chromatography is preferable for quick and correct results than the paper chromatography, where we require the results are to be delayed. Okay, so the next point between this comparison is that we can apply the heavy load in thin layer chromatography, means heavy sample can be analyzed, but in paper chromatography the less amount of sample can be used because the thickness is very small. The TLC is simple, rapid and inexpensive, and the paper chromatography is a slow process. Therefore, we can prefer the thin layer chromatography than the paper chromatography. Nowadays, instead of using the glass plate, the metal foils are available